Do you get an annoying black spot in your extended selfie stick video? Today I am going to share with you 2 tips on how to make the extended selfie stick completely invisible, just like this. Tip number 1. Remove the black stopper. This is actually the black spot in the video. The easiest way to remove it is to pull and screw, and it will come off really easily. Store this somewhere safe, like in your pocket. Then get your 1X and screw it into the stick securely. And now you can extend your stick all the way and video as normal. Tip number 2. Turn the 1X on its side. If you can see the bend of the stick in your video when it's fully extended, then by turning the 1X on its side, the side of the 1X will hide the stick in the stitch line. And that's it. You now know how to make the extended selfie stick completely invisible.